I don't know if you guys have seen it, but all over Instagram, I see these engraved taillights. I see it all the time. I'm like, that can't be too hard. There's this one person that does it. I think their name is Etched Out. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. I bought this like $6 rotary tool from Harbor Freight. Here's a Posca pen that I stole from my girlfriend. And I'm gonna do it on my side markers instead of the tail lights, because taillights are kind of rare and I don't want to spend the like 80 bucks it would be to get some new ones. But these are like 40 bucks because they're reused on the NA and the NB Miata. You also need one of these bad boys. Now I gotta wipe these off with alcohol. So I have this idea to make a star pattern, and I don't think it'll be too hard. The ones you usually see on Instagram are like baby mode. I think this tattoo artist does it. I thought the lights would be nice atmosphere. They gotta go. I think this is gonna be pretty easy. I'm just gonna start drawing. Yeah, I haven't seen anybody do their side markers yet. See, that's what I'm kind of going for. Around the whole thing, just freehanding it. I know the lady on TikTok, she uses like tattoo transfer paper, but that is not a luxury that I have. So that's how the first one came out. I think it's pretty cool. It's like exactly what I wanted it to be. I'm not sure if my Dremel will even cut through it because it's $6 from Harbor Freight. But I saw it. I was like, that's a deal. $6? Zoo-wee mama. That's what I always say. Can you freehand stars like this? Do you know anybody that could freehand stars like me? It's like I've been doing this for a lifetime. All right, there. That's how the right one turned out. Without further ado, I guess we just gotta start cutting. Here goes nothing. So this is a beginning of a bunch of DIY videos I want to make for this car. Like next one, definitely probably the headliner. But right now, I'm just figuring out how to use this fucking Dremel. Five lines and it took me that long. That was sped up 200%, man. I think that's when it's set in how long this fucking thing is gonna take me. I keep trying to use the rotary tool like a pencil, but I find out the way you have to use it is to go with the grain instead of go against it. There's that first star done. I think I need a bigger drill bit. So I switched to a bigger drill bit, and I keep touching the plastic. If you do this, do not touch the plastic with your hands. I have little microplastics in my index finger and it kind of hurts anytime I touch it. It's really satisfying the way the Dremel cuts into the plastic, I'm gonna be honest. I will probably do this again, not on the rear side markers, but just maybe on the same ones, but a little bit deeper. And then my girlfriend comes in.
Whoa! I was like, this looks like you just went on it with Posca pen, and I thought it was.
I did.
Okay.
It's pretty fun. Do you wanna do one?
I do.
Right
but yeah, I do want to do one.
Did you have fun doing it?
Yeah, it was fun. I like destroying things. It's like pretty awesome.
So this footage right here is what it looks like in real time. Not very slow, but not very fast either. I'm glad my girlfriend wanted to try some so I could get some close-up shots. The tripod, not really cutting it, man. Right here you see you're going against the grain, and that creates these little plastic deposits. And those will build up, and you can just kind of scratch them off with your fingernail. I don't have anything to say here. Just more chipping away. More cutty, more grindy, more cutty, more grindy. More grindy, more cutty, more grindy, more cutty. So after this, I wipe away all the excess Posca pen with the little water, little sponge. I think it looks really good already. A cup of water. Oh yeah, look how it glistens in that light. So lastly, I took a little Q-tip to get that really hard to reach Posca pen off. And first one done. I'd say it looks pretty okay. It's not the best thing in the world. My camera batteries died during the filming of this because of how long it took. So I just didn't record the other side. So boom, there's both of them done. Let's put them on. They're pretty easy to install. It's just 2 Phillips head on both sides. You can see my fucked up bumper there. I have to fix that. There's a bumper clip missing. I go to turn on the light and absolutely nothing. Man, did I just waste like an hour of my time doing this? I don't know. You can't really see either side, so maybe it has to be dark. So I go to a gas station. Still can't really see it. There was somebody there. I didn't want them watching me, so I went to my parking spot. Can you tell from afar? No. Is it cool because I know it's there? Yes. And then here's the side that actually doesn't have a light at all because it was burnt. So, should you do this? It depends. And honestly, if you care about details, then I think it would be a fun little project. And there's a couple things I would do differently. I think originally you're supposed to tint these first, so whenever you etch out everything else, the light shines through a little bit better. Other than that, I just wasted like 8 minutes of your time. Have a good day.